Do you think it's possible to create a complex website in just 30 days, working 1 or 2 hours per day? I have no idea. And I think it would take me around 29 days to figure that out. I'm Mahdi, I'm a software engineer, I love using AI, and I'm starting a 30-day challenge to create a sophisticated website using AI tools. I would be documenting this journey with you guys, so I hope you're enjoying it. This is day one. During this video, I will just present very quickly the whole idea, the whole process, the actual project that we're trying to build, the tech stack, the AI tools that would be used. And yeah, if you're finding this interesting, just follow, like, do whatever people do on YouTube. And please make sure to subscribe and follow the engine.connect Instagram page. I will be sharing daily updates out there. I would also be sharing daily one video on YouTube. And I hope this would be enjoyable. Check out the rest of the video and leave in the comment section any idea, question, suggestion whatsoever. Thank you all. Perfect. Hello. Let's go. So, a long story short, I will present to you right now the whole thing. Welcome everyone to the first video ever in the 30 days challenge. The 30-day AI website creation challenge. So together for the next 30 days, we would be daily working on creating a website using AI. I'm already a software engineer and I have some expertise with AI and with software development, but I will make this super easy for everyone to understand. We are working under the engine community, and we would like to create a website for a company, LinkUp. And this would tell a little bit more about the company, Free Palestine, by the way. So yeah, a little bit about myself for those who doesn't know me. I'm Mahdi. M stands for motivated, E stands for engineer, H stands for hard worker, D dynamic, and I am an interactive person. I like working with people, I like working with teams, and for the 30 days challenge, we would use Scrum methodology where we plan our sprint, execute the sprint, having daily feedback. You would always be finding the news on Instagram, potentially on TikTok as well. And then by the end of the sprint, which would be for 1 week, there will be like a sprint review or demo where we test and check our goals and then plan for the next sprint and so on. So we will operate on 4 sprints, 4 weeks during this 30 days challenge. And as you can see, for those who does not really know much about Scrum methodology, it's a powerful methodology to work on software development. So we start with the requirement and then you start designing the solution, develop it, test it, deploy it, and then make the review all in one sprint, in our case, all in 1 week. And then we go and we launch the second sprint. We would be using ClickUp, so this helps a lot with organizing the work, the tasks, splitting everything into sprints, and also having some documentation in a shared repository. Yeah, a little bit about the website. So I'm working on creating a full stack application, a website for an agency that mainly deals with the recruitment of healthcare professionals in Germany. And the name of the company is LinkUp. So what it does need is some basic pages, some account registration functionality, a dashboard for the admin to monitor and supervise everything happening within the platform, The user would be able to apply for jobs, and the user would be, of course, able to create a profile where potential employers can see their skills. When we talk about users, it would be mainly doctors, surgeons, nurses, pharmacists, etc. The challenge is to do this in only 30 days. This would usually take much longer, but I would like to see how much AI can really help with this, and how much AI can speed up the whole development process. And we're starting today. Today is the 30th of September 2024. Such a legendary day. A simple action plan template that I already prepared for LinkUp. So you can see these are some estimation about how would it be actually be in a normal software development process, like what are the main functionalities and how much time does each functionality take. Also some description about it. So we would have first the company pages and the registration, which would together take around 32 hours in normal ways. Account access, submitting the profile, filtering the job by criteria, the job application logic, notifying the user by email after receiving a job, the control panel, the dashboard for the admin, creating a new job opportunity, and the application follow-up. It was all estimated with 123 hours. We would like to do it in only 30 hours. So for the next 30 days, every day I will be recording a video like this where we do the whole development together. We use AI tools, we go, we touch some parts of the code, we start testing the solution and so on. So let's hope that this is actually feasible. It's a challenge after all. There will be a landing page where we describe LinkUp and its services, an About Us page where we talk a little bit about the company and what it does, a contact page where we can easily write a message and it will be sent by email to the company, also some contact information. We would need to focus mostly on the account registration, the application process, and the admin dashboard. That's what the user or so actually what's the customer is expecting for the first version of the project. But then eventually with time there will be second versions and third versions and so on. Let's hope that the quality is good enough for the client to be excited to continue with this project. Mainly the tech stack that I would be using is React on the front end, using Material UI components. On the backend side, I would be using ASP.NET Core and deploying it to Azure DevOps. And for the database, I would be using a SQL Server database from Microsoft. And now let's come to the fun part, which are the AI tools that I would be using. And I would share so much details about my personal journey with AI and the things that I learned. But to cut the story short, these are the general purpose AIs that I use almost every day, and these two are the AIs that I do use for writing code. So I would be mainly using a Chat LLM account, which is a really interesting platform because it contains a premium and the pro version of ChatGPT, of Claude, of Gemini, of Llama, and so many other AI models. And I would be mostly using Claude Sonnet. So for Claude Sonnet, it can be found on Chat LLM with a $10 subscription per month and free account access to all the members of the engine. But still you can use Claude Sonnet for limited time on the actual website of Claude. You guys would love this AI tool if you did not try it yet. Of course, we would be using ChatGPT. Copilot is also really nice, especially when making research online. And I would be using Gemini for the only reason to use its microphone feature. It has a really good way of speech to text recognition, and I usually speak out loud long prompts and then with using Gemini and then copy it and paste it in ChatLM, because unfortunately they still do not provide a voice functionality to enter the prompt. And when it comes to coding, when it comes to software development, many people are familiar with GitHub Copilot, so it's actually a Copilot that helps a lot while writing code, and you can ask it questions and you can browse the solution and so on. But I will also download and install and start using Cursor. I've tried it on my work laptop for a while. It's really interesting. It has a similar, let's say, experience or feeling as VS Code, but Cursor has built-in intelligence, and we will explore all of this together. Yeah, that's a bit about the ways you can contact me. You can find me on WhatsApp. That's my email. You can check my portfolio account. I'm also available on LinkedIn and on Facebook. You can scan the QR code to access my portfolio. And that would be it for the presentation. I would need to stop recording at this point, but there will be second parts for today. We will probably start setting up the ClickUp page where we organize our work. So mainly the first sprint planning will be done today, and we will do it together in a bit. Take care, everyone. Thank you so much.
Actually, I did not get back in a bit. So it's still day one. It's almost midnight. I'm really tired. I really need to go and get some sleep. I did not organize the pickup. I did not record any other video after the one that you saw. So this whole thing would be postponed to tomorrow, to day two. Just keep watching because something really special and surprising will probably happen tomorrow. If not, then it would definitely be on the next day. Stay tuned, and I hope you enjoyed it already. Take care.